What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over our friend MATIC. Currently we're seeing at $1.52. We're down about 4.8 on the day. We're gonna go over Ethereum as well. We're seeing a market cap of 11.44 billion. 24-hour volume 950 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, child incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We broke out of our inverse head and shoulders. We trended towards overbought, and we've seen it move back down basically to retest that level of support. You can see we broke out, bit of a slanted neckline, and we come back down for a retest. We're quite oversold, and that is usually when you see a move back up, when money starts flowing back into Polygon here. I almost said Phantom. As you can see right here, we were low and money started to flow back into Phantom. As you can see right here, we were low and money started to flow back into Polygon. Right here as well, money flow low, started to flow back into Polygon. So hopefully that's what we see. If we do push up here, I would look for resistance about $1.80. I would look to take profits, 50% of my trade, as our break even is currently sitting at 172 with our dollar cost average strategy. And that would be about a juicy trade of about 5-6%. Just close 50% and let the rest ride. And then your next major level of resistance is 190. If we do lose $1.50, guys, we do have some support here where these wicks are at about $1.35, and then you're looking at about $1.24. However, we are quite low on the money flow, so we could definitely bounce from this level. If we look at MATIC on the daily, we do have that beautiful double bottom pattern. So hopefully we can see a push and finally break out of this descending broadening wedge. As you can see here on the daily, we came up and we got rejected by the 20 EMA. So hopefully we can create a higher low here, get back above the EMAs and break out of this descending broadening wedge. We do have a beautiful bullish divergence, lower low on the daily time frame, higher low. These can take time to play out, but that is quite a bullish indicator and can lead to a large move to the upside when you see it on the daily time frame. If we look at Ethereum, hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. You can see here I was hoping we would break out left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but we retraced, guys. We still have an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So hopefully we can hold this trend line of support, create a higher low, and see that continuation kind of create a little bit of a symmetrical triangle here. So if you see it start to bounce and break this level of resistance, could be a juicy breakout back to the upside. But if this support is lost, we lose this low, your next strong level support of 2275. But we are quite low on our indicators. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, let's see what we can see on the 4-hour. Yeah, we're trending towards oversold, and we're quite low on the money flow. And as you can see here, move back up right here as well. Low on the money flow, move back up right here as well. Low on the money flow, move back up to the upside. So if we do push, guys, look for resistance to come in at 3135 for ETH. Let's pop over to our next chart on the daily. We're still in this descending channel. We had a bearish fake out. We threw back. We hit resistance. We rolled back. We found support. We came up. We hit resistance once again. So do watch this trend line, 2548. Definitely could act as support. There was some resistance support in this area and give us a good opportunity to bounce. So hopefully what we see here is we come down, my brush here, we come down, we find support, we bounce, we break out. We can come up and break these major levels of resistance, 3017, 3270, and get back above the EMAs and see a nice beautiful breakout for Ethereum. Do watch for a dead cat bounce scenario here, possibly hit resistance around about 4K and roll over. But if we can come up and break this high, then we're good to go for continuation. If we look at the Ethereum long positions, beautiful increase of the longs for months now. For a couple months we've been seeing a beautiful increase in the long positions, while we're seeing the shorts decline just a little bit, not too bad here. Over the last day, over the last couple days, we've been seeing a drop off in the shorts, but the RSI is quite low. And as you can see right here, that is usually when you start to see an increase. When the RSI does get low, it can be an indicator for the longs and the shorts that you'll see an increase once again. So do keep a close eye on that. So we'll finish off the video for MATIC. If you looked at my Bitcoin analysis, which was my previous video, you can see we may be creating a beautiful ascending triangle. So hopefully we hold the EMAs. If we don't, then hopefully we bounce off this trend line and we can break out of this ascending triangle. So we'll finish off the video for MATIC. So keep a close eye on this bullish divergence on the daily, and then the support you want to watch is 150. If we can hold it, we could see a nice breakout all the way way up here to about $1.77, $1.80, which would bring us back above our break even. We've had 5 entries, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. Perfect trading strategy if you're busy working, if you have a family. You don't have to look at the charts all day. It's fully explained on the Discord with your buy and take profit levels, price of a coffee. So if we hold $1.50, guys, we can see a beautiful push up to about 180. If this support is lost, I mean, it's hard to say that we come all the way back down to $1.24, but always a possibility. I do think it's more likely we'd find support around $1.40, $1.42, and then hopefully see a nice bounce back to the upside. So that's it for MATIC. In the next video, I'll go over more of a macro perspective. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what's going on in the short term. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns not only for crypto, but as well as for the S&P 500, the DXY, all things related to cryptocurrency. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, as well as buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoins, or if you're looking for entries and exits based off support and resistance, just for reference, not financial advice. $350 USD if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. My camera's gonna die, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.